Hey guys, in this video you're going to see me making this, the Sandbanks dish. It's far from perfect. The main problem you're going to see in the video coming up. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you don't like it, feel free to hit the dislike button. Please do leave a comment. I try to respond to all the comments I get. And remember to hit that little bell icon and that will notify you when I bring out new videos. I'll come back at the end and show you the finished product, but for now, enjoy the video and happy turning. Okay, so that was the process that I followed. My plan was always to roughly fill it in with the sand into the trenches and then turn it back using either carbide tools or traditional tools, just to give us a nice smooth finish. The problem is, and I don't know if the camera can pick this up, the CA glue and the sand together actually set so much harder than I ever thought it would, and it literally rubbed a flat edge onto my carbide tools. You can see there it didn't work very well on the internal rings either. It's slightly better. There's some, you can feel here where it's turned the wood away but hardly touched the sand and CA mix. So I'm going to try it again. I've got a couple of ideas to either try a different adhesive or to mask off the area better where I don't want the sand to get in. So yeah, it's a work in progress. This is a prototype, if you like, but so watch out in the future for another attempt at doing this sort of thing. Just to show you, that's a crow. And I just wanted to show you, so where I cut the mortise in the bottom of the dish to turn it round and put it into my chuck, I put some sort of decorative rings in there, so hopefully you can see. Fuck me, could someone shoot that bird? So I put some, you're winding me up, aren't you? Hi guys, in this video I am making the Sandbanks dish. It's actually this dish here. You'll see